Is the display on your Google TV too dim or too bright? Are you struggling to find that perfect balance of brightness for your viewing experience? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk you through how to fix brightness on Google TV, ensuring you get optimal enjoyment from your favorite shows and movies. Step 1. Access the home screen. First things first, to adjust the brightness on your Google TV, you need to know how to access its setting. Begin by navigating to the home screen. Use your remote to click on the Home button until you see the main menu appear on the screen. Step 2. Open Settings. Once you're on the home screen, the next step is to open the Settings menu. Look for and select the Settings icon, often represented by a gear symbol. You'll usually find this in the upper right corner of your screen. Select Settings to dive into various configuration options available on your Google TV. Step 3. Navigate to Picture or Display Setting. Under the Settings menu, you'll want to find the Picture or Display Settings option. This subsection holds the key to adjusting your brightness settings. Click on it to proceed to the next page where you can start fine-tuning the visual display aspects of your Google TV. Step 4. Adjust the brightness. Once inside the picture or display settings, locate the brightness option. You'll want to click on brightness to adjust it. Use your remote control's navigation pad to increase or decrease the brightness levels. Gradually adjust the brightness until you reach your desired level, ensuring comfortable viewing without excessive glare or dullness, which can strain your eyes or wash out colors. Step 5. Tinker with additional settings. Aside from brightness, check out additional settings such as contrast, color, and backlight. Tweaking these settings can further enhance your viewing experience. For instance, increasing contrast can help differentiate colors, while adjusting backlight settings can affect overall screen luminance. Play around with these settings until you find a combination that suits your preferences. Brightness issues can be pesky and disrupt your viewing pleasure, but with these simple steps on how to fix brightness on Google TV, you'll be watching with optimal clarity in no time. From accessing the home screen to exploring further display adjustments, you've got the tools to tailor your Google TV's visuals just the way you like. Remember to occasionally return to these settings as your viewing conditions might change with time or environment, such as differing daylight exposure in your room. Enjoy crisp imagery and vivid colors, enhancing every TV watching moment. Happy viewing.